Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what you can see that the price is continuously rose. Okay, if the price is continuously rising and from a particular low of around 3.510, okay, and this level is already being has got a weakened support, so probability will be high that if it comes close to this level we can see a further fall. Keep this in mind. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in natural gas and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join now. Look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what we have seen that this is the particular that if this particular range move upside, that means if it goes above $4.8, we can see their price can move high. Why I was telling you, because there is a U pattern forming. That was very probability that it was hitting a resistance and was going upside. Okay, now if you look at the chart, a cup pattern was forming in this particular zone. So I've already told you that if the price goes above a level of 4.8, we can see further upside. Now what we can see in the coming week, see, suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can touch a level of 5.843. okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 5.858, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 6.074. okay, and once the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 6.291. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 6.331. okay, so suppose if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 6.520. okay, again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 5.824, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 5.921. okay, and if the price goes up this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 6.075. okay, and if it goes up this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 6.307. okay, and if this level sustain, then we can see it can go and can touch a level of 6.5. okay, and this level is all not being tested here, so probability will be high we can see a bounce back from this level. okay, and then it can hit the support and then we can see it can rise above the high level. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 5.495. okay, but if it has to go below a level of 5.7, then only we can see it can touch a level of 5.6, and if it goes below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.495. once this level cross downside, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of 5.32, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 5.617. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.051, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.80. okay, and once the 4.80 cross downside, then we can see it can go further upside to further downside to a level of 4.5, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 4.158. and suppose the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 4.049. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can move below a level of 3.5 also. okay, now if you have any doubt regarding, you can mail me. I have given the mail in the description, and if you want to attend my workshop also, that also I have given in the description. okay, now if you are trading, you have to understand that trading is risky. okay, because most of the people lose money in this particular trade because they don't have patience, they don't have strategies, they don't have time to look at this particular market. okay, so I teach all this in my workshop, what and how you can achieve. So one of the things that you have to understand, if you are not attending the workshop, see, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, suppose, okay, then what you have to do is try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. So suppose if you take 5 trades, okay, and set a risk for particular trade, that is around 0.5 to 1%. okay, your capital is 10,000, suppose your per trade capital will be around 1,000 to 500, 1,000 to 1,500, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around 50 to 100. so you know your risk is 500 max. so if you made a loss for 500 for a day, stop the trade. okay, so that what will happen, then you will not be in a mood to recover the money in the next day. You will be happy and you will focus more on profit rather than recovering your loss. Okay, this is, if you have any doubt regarding this or any discussion, you can mail me. Okay, we can discuss as per the timing. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.